Hi guys, Tanvir is here. Today I show you how to making a lot of money for creating YouTube copy and paste video. Don't need to show your face. Also don't need to create voiceover. This work not hard. Easy way to creating video I show you step by step. Just work 1 or 2 hours a day you can making money. Step by step I show you how to find video, download video, edit video then upload adjust it. Also this video monetization. See this channel satisfying official. He get 274k subscribers of this channel. Just copy and paste video. First I show you this channel how much making money per month. Just copy and paste video uploaded. $267, $4. 3k estimated monthly earnings. Also $3. 2k, $51. 4k estimated yearly earnings. Now you see this channel daily averages earning $9. $143. Okay, now I show you how to find video and download. You search TikTok, Instagram, and other platform. Anywhere you find this type satisfying video and download it. Then you go YouTube and search sleeping music, relaxing music, meditation music, satisfying music, then filter it. Click Creative Commons Video, YouTube also. Creative Commons licenses give a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. YouTube allows creators to mark their videos with a Creative Commons CC by license. If you've marked your video with a CC by license, you retain your copyright. Other creators get to reuse your work subject to the terms of the license. You focus on video direction Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. Then video download. Then edit video, all clips one by one adjust. Some of need to change or customize video. Then your video look unique and also monetization. Video edit follow some rules. Need to don't get reuse content or copyright. Video one by one adjust. One clips 10-second up never long. Change color. All video clip flip and voice remove. Adjust YouTube relaxing Creative Commons music. Then export it. Uploaded your channel. This work not one day success okay? Need to 3-month regular a day 1 video uploaded try. I hope that you success and also making money on YouTube. If this video some help you, and you like this idea, please like, comments and share your friends. Thank you for watching this video.